Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pay.gov, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.pay.gov and press enter. This will take you to the Pay.gov homepage. Look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the first field. Then, input your password in the second field. Double-check that your information is correct. If you have forgotten your username or password, look for the Forgot Username Password link. Click on it to initiate the recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve or reset your credentials. Once you have entered your username and password, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter any errors, carefully review your entered information for accuracy. If issues persist, consult the help section or contact customer support for assistance. That's it. You are now logged into Pay.gov and ready to proceed with your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.